called V's in a row. And there's your V's. Then you have some double crochets, and then there's some more V's. V's in a row. Very easy stitch. I think you guys will enjoy this. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm just using a medium full weight yarn and a 4.5 millimeter crochet hook. This stitch looks very well in a 3-weight as well. So I think you'll enjoy that. And I would recommend, especially if you're new to crocheting, to look at the band on the yarn that you're using and use the recommended hook that they recommend for that yarn. But for me, I'm just using a medium full weight yarn and a 4.5 millimeter crochet hook. Okay, let's get started with this. You will need to chain a multiple of 3, and then you will add 1. So I'm going to chain 18, and so let's start off with a slip knot. Wrap the yarn around your finger, pull the loop off your finger, take your working yarn and go up into the circle, and you'll get a loop. Insert your hook in that loop and pull to tighten, just like that. And so with the working yarn, you're going to start your chain. So I'm going to chain 18 as my multiple of 3. So you just yarn over on the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 17, and 18. Now after you get your multiple of 3, go ahead and add 1 to the end. There we go. All right, so to start off for row 1, you're going to double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. So yarn over. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, the 4th chain from the hook. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now that's a double crochet, and that chain right there is actually 3 chains, so that's a double crochet, represents a double crochet, and that's a double crochet. So now we're going to double crochet in each chain all the way across. I'm going to show you a couple, and then I'll meet you at the end. So yarn over, insert your hook in the chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, so you've got another double crochet. Let's do another one. Yarn over, insert your hook in that chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Let's do it one more time. Yarn over, insert your hook in that chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, I'm going to continue down the chain, and I will meet you at the end. Okay, so I'm on my last chain, so I'm going to do a double crochet in that last chain. Okay, so for this amount, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I have 17 double crochets. So for row 2, we are going to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. We're going to turn our work, and so for row 2, we're going to double crochet in each stitch all the way across, including the top of the chain 3 that you have here. So I should still have 17 because this chain 3 counts as a stitch. Okay, and then you have these V stitches, and your hook is right underneath that V stitch right there. These are your stitches. Go right there. Okay, so remember how you do it. Yarn over, insert your hook in a stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, so in the next stitch, just right underneath the V, right there, make your double crochet, and do it again. Okay, and I will meet you at the end. Okay, I'm at the end, and don't forget your chain 3 here. You've got to make a double crochet in that chain 3. Okay, so that was row 1 and 2. So now for row 3, we're going to repeat row 2. So we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Turn our work, and we're going to do the same thing, a double crochet in each stitch all the way across. Okay, I'll meet you at the end. Okay, I just finished row 3. Okay, to start row 4, which rows 4, 5, 6, and 7 are going to be your repeat rows. So we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. So we're going to skip this first double crochet we stitched in, that we did our chain 3, and skip this stitch. And in this next stitch, we're going to do a V stitch. So a V stitch is a double crochet, chain 1, and a double crochet in the same stitch. And you just made a V stitch. Okay, so we're going to skip the next 2 stitches and we're going to make a V stitch. So that's a double crochet, chain 1, and a double crochet. Skip the next 2 stitches and do another V stitch. So double crochet, chain 1, and a double crochet. Skip the next 2 stitches, a V stitch, double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. Skip the next 2 stitches and do a V stitch. So double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Now you should have 2 stitches left. So we're going to skip this stitch, and in that chain, top of that chain 3, we're going to make a double crochet. That was row 4. You got your little V's in there. So for row 5, we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn our work. Okay, so for row 5, we're going to double crochet in each double crochet stitch and in each chain 1 space. So you should have the same amount of double crochets as you do on these 3 rows right here. So, which our chain 3 counts as a double crochet. So go ahead and double crochet in the next stitch. Double crochet in the chain 1. And in the next stitch. And then continue that down. And then the next double crochet. And in the chain 1. And then double crochet in the next stitch. Okay, so I have 17 double crochets just like I do down here. So that was row 5, row 6, and 7, you just repeat row 2. So row 2 was 1, 2, 3, chain 3, turn your work, double crochet in each stitch all the way across, including the top of the chain 3. So just continue making a double crochet in each stitch all the way across. And I forgot to mention, you can actually do this with single crochet or half double crochet. They don't, and if you want it really loose, you could do a treble. So they don't have to be double crochets. Your V stitches, I would recommend doing double crochet on the V stitches though. Okay, so I just finished with row 6. Row 7, we're going to repeat row 2 again. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Turn your work, a double crochet in each stitch all the way across. Okay, I'll meet you at the end. Okay, guys, that's it. I did a double crochet in each stitch all the way across, including the top of the chain 3. That's all you've got to do. Like I said, these could be single crochets or even half double crochets or even trebles. And then, but I would recommend doing your V's in double crochets though, if you really want them to show up good. But that's it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. I hope that you can make really cool blankets and things with this and just play with it and have fun with it. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.